Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change someone's name on Snapchat. So actually it is very easy, watch the video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all we need to of course open the Snapchat, and here from this camera we need to go to our profile by clicking on our profile picture in the top left corner. Now as we are on our profile, we need to scroll down and find our list of friends. It is located right here by the button called My Friends, so click on it. And now from this list you need to choose a friend to who you want to change the name for. So for example, I want to change the name for this one first friend named Guy. So I need to click on it, on him, or I can go to his profile, clicking on his profile picture. And as I am in his profile, I need to click on the three dots in the top right corner and go and choose the second option here, Manage Friendship. And now the last option called Edit Name is what we need. So basically, simply click on the Edit Name, and now you can change the name to whatever you want. So for example, just simply Snow, and when you are ready, click on the Save button. It says Updating in the top side of the screen, click on Done, and as you can see, now it is Snow. You can refresh the page, go back once again, and it will refresh everywhere. So go back to My Friends, Snow, and as you can see, everywhere is Snow. And basically that is it. That is how you can change someone's name on Snapchat. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.